Hello Mania, welcome to SuperWowToy. Today we will find out what's on these balloons. We got more balloons here, so much color and so much fun. Silver balloon. Oops. What will we get? A little bit hot. Oh wow, it's a camel. Next, we got yellow balloon. So I think it's a giraffe. Yes, it's a giraffe. Next, green balloon. Wow, what is that? Green. I think it's a bear. Red one. What's inside? Oh wow, it's a monkey. Yeah, it's a monkey. What a little cute monkey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Next, blue balloon. It's a lion. I think yes. It's a lion? Yeah, it's a lion. Oh, I think the lion needs to eat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, share. Green balloon. It's a zebra. Yes, it's a zebra. Wow. Cute zebra. Next, a white balloon. Oh, wow, it's an elephant. Yeah, oh, look how cute it is. Next, silver balloon king. Oh, what's that? I think it's a wolf. Oh no. What is it? Okay, it's a rhino. What's next? Oh, the pink balloon. Oh, oh wow, it's pink. It's a pink hippo. People, wow. Red one again. Okay. What's inside? Oh, you know that. Yes. Oh, a tiger. Wait, a tiger. Yeah, it's a cute tiger, you know. Look at his face. Yeah. Oh, special character. Smiley blue. Oh, I wonder what's inside. Sky, you know, it's Sky from Paw Patrol. Yeah, it's Sky. Hey, Sky. Yeah. Okay, we are already unboxing and popping all the balloons here, so you can see there's so much fun in SuperWowToy. Look at this anyway. Look at this toy. Yeah. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to see another video like this,